Yeah, hi guys, $1,000,000 question here about this Harris ant killer. What's the expiration? That's a box which I have bought 4 years ago, and as far as I can see, there is no expiration here, and also not on the liquid bottle. There's something here in the bag, but for me it doesn't look like an expiration. Can't really find anything. Looks still really good after 4 years. I bought this 4 years ago and had it most of the time out in the garage, and we are living here in the south where it can become very, very hot in the garage from spring to late autumn. So it looks like there was absolutely no problem also regarding the heat. And after 4 years, I've been a little bit worried. But a couple of days ago, I had some huge ant invasion, especially on this side here, even down at the floor on this side. They were almost everywhere, but here in this area, it was absolutely crazy, full of ants one evening. And what I did, I took this thing and I grabbed some of the cardboards which I have pre-cut here, using usually this thing here, put a couple of drops here on such cardboard here. I still have one here for safety if they are coming back. I put 2 or 3 here, I think one here, and one over there, and checked then after a couple of minutes, and it was full of ants. All these cardboard pieces with the ant shell, they were full of ants. It was absolutely crazy, and I left it overnight, and the next morning all the ants were gone. You can see there are no ants here anymore. Has been definitely a full success. So even after 4 years having this in very hot environment in our garage, it still works like on day one. I can't guarantee that it will be still same after 10 or 20 years, but at least after 4 years, it still works absolutely awesome. And it has been always our preferred choice, because some other brands have not been working for our ants, and here it has been absolutely perfect. So definitely full recommendation from my side. So you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.